Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Pressure washer from Parkside, ideal for vehicles, patios or facades, with 1800 watts power consumption, max flow rate 420 liters per hour, max pressure 135 bar and working rated pressure 100 bar, with click system suitable for standard hoses. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Let's start with the Parkside cleaning agent for high pressure cleaner, 500 ml. The high pressure hose, 7 meters. The cable length for the power cord, it is 5 meters. Very convenient, I like that. The spray gun, safety switch, the release button for the high pressure hose. You can connect that here. Press the button to release. The extension, press, rotate and it locks. So easy. And then you can connect, press and it locks. The variable nozzle, you can adjust it at the front here, rotate and adjust. To release, press this button and remove. And then you can connect the turbo nozzle. Press this button to release. So easy. I like it. Parkside logo. It looks amazing. Let's check in this envelope. Okay, we have the manual and this coupling for the water connection. Inside it has a filter. You can remove the filter and clean it. Very easy. Press and it locks. And you can connect that here at the back and connect your main water supply. At the back we have nice storage for the detergent. This one, nice, and you can use the detergent. Not too much. And you can connect that at the high pressure gun. So easy. With this button you can unfold the handle. Press this button and fold. At the front we have the on-off switch. Nice. Storage for the gun goes here. The detergent bottle. Nice. With a capacity 250 ml. And you can have all the other accessories here. Very convenient. You have two huge wheels. You can move around freely. And at the front you can connect the high pressure hose here. press and it locks. To remove, press this button and remove with one hand. Nice! I like it. And here at the back you can have the cable. Everything very tight and organized. And we have this cleaning needle for the nozzles. You can store it here. I like it. And you can have the high pressure hose here. There is another storage here. If you want, you can use for this nozzle. It is a little bit tight to have the cable, the power cord and the high pressure hose together. So maybe here, yep, why not? It will be more convenient, and the cable here. I think it is better. So let's move on outdoors and test the pressure, how it can clean my patio. With its powerful motor and impressive 135 bar of pressure, the pressure washer makes quick work of stubborn grime, moss, dirt and even caked on mud. Whether you are cleaning your driveway, patio, car, garden tools or outdoor furniture, this pressure washer delivers fantastic results with surprising efficiency. The convenience of the auto start-stop system means it only runs when you need it, saving energy and extending the pump's life. Plus, with the versatile nozzles and the included foam bottle, you've got everything you need to tackle a wide range of cleaning challenges effectively. For its size and accessible price point, only €85, the Parkside pressure washer offers incredible value and performance, portable thanks to its wheels and robust enough for regular use, making it an ideal choice for any homeowner. So if you are looking for a dependable, easy to use and powerful pressure washer to bring that sparkle back to your outdoor spaces, The Parkside pressure washer is definitely a high recommended tool for your garage. What's the toughest cleaning challenge you face at home? And have you ever used a Parkside pressure washer before? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our cleaning community. And that wraps up our thorough review of the Parkside pressure washer. As you've seen, this compact, yes mighty machine is a serious contender for tackling all sorts of outdoor cleaning tasks around your home. If this video helped you understand the pressure washer better, please give us a big thumbs up, it truly supports our channel. And for more honest reviews of home and garden tools, DIY essentials and cleaning solutions, make sure you are subscribed and have hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching everyone, we are always here to help you get your outdoor spaces looking their best. Until next time, keep your spaces spotless and we'll see you in the next video.